Hello, my name is Deidre and I am the owner and operator of Nails by Deidre. So I had a challenge on last year that asked me about doing some press-on nails. One of my little cousins from Carolina. So Alexis, this is for you. I have been doing nails for over 20 years and I ordered some stuff from Amazon, and here is my first order. So you guys are going to see me open up the packages. And we're gonna see what's in this box because I don't remember what all I ordered, thanks to my daughter and my husband telling me to order this, this, and this, so I did that. So this is the first kit, and of course this is my first time, so why not do a YouTube channel while I'm in the process of doing it. So here you'll see I have a multiple array of colors that I am going to add decorations to for some of my clients who like short nails. So this is for you, and this is the kit that has supposed to have everything that I need in it, and I am going to show you what I have as a starter kit. I have also some clear tips, which are stiletto, so I'm going to show you these, and I'm going to use those that I am going to custom design myself. This is the tape, and they will be placed in these boxes so that you can see them. This is the glue. So that is a part of this kit. Got some rhinestones that I'm going to dazzle up, and then I also have some stiletto nails that I am going to put some nail art to. So as I open these up, just remember you're going to be seeing me more often, but this is my first run, so thanks to my husband for helping me. I'll give him a shout out. Whoop, whoop. I don't know what these are, probably not mine, but they're fans. I don't know where they came from, probably have to send them back. And let's see what's in this package. Let's see. I don't know why I'm so nervous, but oh, these are the glow in the dark nails that I'm going to add some decorations to. So you guys will be the first ones to see those. And let's see what is in this package. They're gonna make me into an Amazon queen before it is over, so y'all stay tuned. Okay, so these are some of the nail art designs, the stickers that I'm going to also use to put on there. I have some more packages coming because they were persistent on the things that I should get. And so, oh yeah, my daughter decided that I needed to get some heart designs with rhinestones, so we're going to definitely use those. And I had another young lady in high school ask me about gummies, so we are definitely going to use these on some nails. So teenagers, get ready because I'm ready. And this is the rest of the kit. So I ordered these. This is where you place the nails on to start the design. So this is my first starter kit, and I'm going to get all of this together, and the next time you see my face, you will see some pretty nails. Like, comment, subscribe to Nails on the Go by Deidre. Thank you.